Good morning to one and all. I welcome you for IABS IAS Academy Current Affairs Channel IABS News Bureau. Today we are going to discuss about All India Radio Spotlight Analysis dated on July 9th, 2020, which talks about PM inaugural address at India's Global Week celebration. Here, the important key point that we need to keep in mind in terms of UPSC preparations are. While giving the particular speech, he emphasized the need of friendly relationship and economic linkage between India and UK. And here he also talks about the relation between any countries with India could contributes through the Indian professionals, especially through doctors, nurse, bankers, lawyers, scientists, professors, and our hard-working laborers for revival of economic and environmental growth of the country through the contribution of Indian citizens with the knowledge that they are having in their professional domains. And here, PM also emphasized that with the spirit that we are having in our past with respect to reforms and rejuvenation of Indian economy, we could able to recollect, we can able to recome from the economic stress or other kind of problem that we are facing post COVID situation. And PM also talks about the pandemic and its economic um, stresses which has happened can be revived only with care, passion, compassion, and economically and environmental sustainable approach through sustainable approach. And here, PM also applauded the policies that we are implementing in India in terms of administration that could be total financial inclusion that we are doing through direct benefit transfer for each and every scheme. Apart from that, he also talks about housing and infrastructural construction work that is happening even during this COVID situation. And he talks about ease of doing business ranking that makes our other competitive companies like China and Russia. On comparison with China and Russia, we are getting more business deals with some other countries. Apart from that, he also applauded the bold decision that is taken in terms of implementing GST and other things like rollout of world largest healthcare incentive system through Ayushman Bharat. All those things he talked about in this particular speech. Apart from that, he also said that through the rejuvenation program that we are implementing after post-COVID situation, the effect of slowdown in economic activity can be improved, which means the economic activities within each and every sector can be improved and can be improved in a drastic way by the rejuvenative program which are being implemented by Indian government. And we are building the bridges for recovery through various welfare measures to all stakeholders, also to all citizens for their overall betterment. And we have opened the doors of economy through giving permission for through FDA relaxation so that all the foreign players can come into the prime sector for making the fast track growth in Indian economy. Also, he has opened up the private sector investment even in important field like space and commercial space, um, such that the commercial use of Indian space technology by world players can be boosted. And he also proud in this particular speech, PM proud about the pharmaceutical industry of India by quoting the word saying that Indian pharmaceutical industry is not only the guardian of Indian citizen, rather than it is providing a shield to entire human community over the world through its research and development in scale of discovering the vaccine for the pandemic called COVID through lot many companies like BBL and Zincovid by developing vaccines like Covaxin and Zincovid. Apart from that, he also talks about Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is the tagline policy implemented by government of India for self-sustaining and self-generating economy through the various policies such that it can promote efficiency, equity, and self-reliance of Indian economy. In the end, he also said that India is adapting a human centric and inclusive approach to develop for global goodness and prosperity, which means India is not only working for Indian citizen, we are working for entire humanity so that our Indian activity are human centric rather than Indian centric. And now we come to the end of PAB news. All India Radio news analysis. Thank you.